How to recover deleted messages on Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can recover the deleted messages on Messenger. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to recover the deleted messages, you need to open the Facebook app, not the Messenger. After that, simply tap on your profile. And when you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see settings and privacy. Just simply tap on settings. And here, when you scroll down a bit, you can see this download your information option where you can simply tap on that option. After that, tap on continue. And here, select your profile that you want to download it from. And here you can see this download or transfer your information. Simply tap on this download or transfer information. After that, tap on your Facebook account and tap on next. Here you can select the available information and specific type of information. So what you can do is simply tap on a specific type of information. After that, select on the messenger or messages and tap on next. And here you can see download to device and transfer to destination. You may just choose any of the space that you want to download the information to. So basically, that's how you recover the deleted messages on Messenger. There's no specific feature on how you can recover it. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.